You can create and sell a complete ebook in under 30 minutes, using only AI. No writing, no design skills, no experience. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to write a short guide, like 10 AI side hustles you can start today. You can prompt it to include chapters, tips, and even an intro and outro. Copy the text into a Canva ebook template. They're fully editable, just drag and drop. Add images, change colors, and design your cover, right in Canva. Download your finished ebook as a PDF. Then head over to Amazon KDP, create a new ebook listing, upload your file and cover, and set your price. Once it's published, it's on autopilot. You earn every time someone downloads, and Amazon handles the delivery. This is one of the simplest AI passive income strategies out there. Subscribe and I'll show you more like this every week.